Your patient calls speaking in Spanish, and your agent responds perfectly. But watch what happens when they switch languages mid-call. One toggle, one line of instruction, and your agent will speak your patient's language on the fly. Here's how it works. First, we're going to navigate to the agent's voice page and select the multi-language feature and hit Save. Next, we're going to navigate to the instructions page and include a line telling the agent it's multilingual. Here's the exact prompt we're using today. You are multilingual. Respond to the caller in the same language they speak, including English, Spanish, Hindi. Change languages whenever the caller does. Now let's test it out on a real call.
Hi, thanks for calling Demo Smiles. This is Kate, the AI receptionist. How can I help you today?
Hola, ¿están aceptando pacientes nuevos?
Hola, sí, estamos aceptando pacientes nuevos. ¿En qué servicio está interesado? Ofrecemos limpiezas generales, emergencias, empastes y Invisalign.
क्या आपके ऑफिस में दांत निकालने की सुविधा है?
नहीं, मुझे खेद है। हम दांत निकालने की सेवा प्रदान नहीं करते हैं। हम सामान्य सफाई, आपातकालीन देखभाल, सीलिंग और इनविजिलाइन की सेवाएं प्रदान करते हैं। क्या मैं इनमें से किसी सेवा के बारे में आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ?
Same call. The moment I switched languages, she switched with me. No clunky menus, no press 2 for Spanish. It just follows the patient. One toggle, one instruction, and every patient feels at home. Whatever language they speak, even mid-conversation. Just add the line, flip the switch, and your AI receptionist is instantly multilingual.